Fourth sum, given an object of 60 centimeters, so u is equal to minus 60 centimeters from a lens, gives a virtual image. So virtual image is on the same side of the lens, so minus 20 centimeters. You have to find the focal length of the lens and you have to state which type of lens it is, converging or diverging lens. So by lens formula, one upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. This minus sign will come up. So minus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon f. So 1 upon f is equal to 61 the 60 plus 21 the 20 upon 20 into 16. So 1 upon f is equal to minus 60 plus 20 will give you minus 40 upon 20 into 60. So invert this, f is equal to 20 into 60 upon minus 40. 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 1 the 2 30 the. So f is equal to minus 30 centimeters. So negative focal length negative sign of focal length indicates that it is a diverging lens or concave lens. Okay, so f is equal to minus 30. So this minus sign indicates that it is a diverging lens or a concave lens. You have to find out whether it is a converging or a diverging lens. So it is a diverging lens, or you can write diverging lens, or it is also called a concave lens. Okay, so we finish up with the numericals of the chapter lenses. So I hope you must have understood all the 6 sums we did today. 4 unsolved and 2 solved sums we did. I gave you all the formulas. I gave you all the sign conventions. Remember the sign conventions very properly. Copy it down in your notebooks and do all the sums in your notebook and be ready, because once you are called for the practicals next month, that is January, so be sure that you are carrying along with everything with you, that is activity, your practicals and all, everything will be there together. So be ready for it. Okay, thank you very much.